how come you decided to go to Australia and like not other countries? And how did you get in touch with academically in general?
I found Australia would be the better option because I can do like exam here. The rest other countries I should go there and I should take the exam there. But here I can do it here with my job.
So, hello everyone, and welcome to Academically. Today, we are utterly delighted as the CAPS result 2024 are finally out. As you all know, that this is going to be the last CAPS result, as now CAPS is replaced by Opera. And obviously, like every year and every time, our students have outdone themselves. And now we have with us Athira, and I would like to congratulate you, Athira, and I would like to welcome you on this podcast. Thank you so much for taking out your time and joining us here.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much for all the like preparations that you people gave me and for congratulating me. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Athira. So, would you mind sharing your intro a little? Like, where are you from? What is your family background, and how come you decided to go to Australia and like not other countries? And how did you get in touch with academically in general?
Yeah, sure. So what like I'm a M.Pharm like postgraduated like after B.Pharm I have graduated from NIPER Mohali going through like two entrance exam like GPAT and NIPER. After that, now I am working on a pharmaceutical company as a health economic like associate. Like in health economic field, I am working. So later, I thought I should do something as I have done my like B Farm, M Farm, and I did my masters in pharmacy practice. So I have exposure to like patients. So I think it would be better if I have some exposure outside the country, and something like I even choose like which country I should choose. I went through all the countries. What are the procedure for I can be a pharmacist. Canada, especially Canada, USA, then Ireland, then Australia. So I went to like I think about 1 to 2 years I am searching for it. Which in what country I should go for, and which should be better for me for the process and everything. Like starting from how I can reach, even financially also every aspect I have checked it. Then I found Australia would be the better option because I can do like exam here. The rest other countries I should go there and I should take the exam there. But here I can do it here with my job. That is actually a matter because I did. Still I am working, and at the time of exam also I am working. I just take 2 or 3 days leaves. I didn't, and this exam didn't interfere me. So thanks to academically for that because it doesn't interfere my work, my personal life, and as well as I can crack I cracked the exam. So thank you academically for that. Then I think it would be a great choice for me to move forward. But still here because it is a just beginning. I know it is not the destination, but I just began. But it was done by the first attempt, and like it is a part. It is not like I am just completely involved in the exam or not. Nothing like that. I am doing my job, and I am also enjoying my personal life, and I did the exam, so I am happy for that.
Definitely, and I can see that on your face. I can, I can actually sense it that how happy and excited you are. And obviously, you have earned it. You have worked hard. And as you just mentioned, that you were working along with the whole preparation, that is a big thing. And, we at Academically definitely always make sure. And, the whole purpose of creating this whole online, course is that, if somebody is working and they can prepare along with the work they are doing, because experience also matters a lot in foreign countries. So that's
Yes.
the best that you did. So how was your experience with the exam? Like, if somebody is watching our video, how was your experience? Would you like to tell to the CAPS aspirants, I mean, the opera aspirants who are going to take up the opera exam?
Exam anyway I am first to the exam, so I have exposure through only the mock test, how the questions will come and how the exam would be. So in the like there are two papers. Everybody knows there are two papers, paper 1 and 2. Then paper 1 was for me it was really easy, and I got most of the questions from what I experienced in the classes and the mock test. So that was paper 1, and paper 2 for me it was little tricky. That tricky means that it doesn't mean that I didn't get the questions like directly, but I can do it. I can do it because I could. Why I could do it? Because if we have the classes, if we heard the classes well, then we can do it. So it was tricky only because of the questions is little different. They just changed the pattern like that. It is nothing, but we can do it. That is only thing. So I took some more time for paper two, but paper one, nothing. Everything was what I have heard earlier like that.
That's great. So how was your, support from academically, like in terms of the preparation, the LMS that we provided, the mock test? How did it help you in like all of the ways, like for all the preparation?
Okay, to be honest, I didn't. The live classes are there. I didn't attend any live classes. I have the recorded lectures. I used to that because in India, I am getting these classes on like afternoon time, so it is hard for me to attend the live classes. But what I did, like the last recall sessions and the question mock test sessions are there. I have attended even though I'm working. I have attended that live sessions, but other classes I have only went through these recorded lectures. But I make sure like if a class is done today, I will obviously go for it on the same day. That I made it sure. So what I felt is this: even though it is recorded lecture, I can like I can feel it like I am going to the live lecture only. So it was very useful for me. And even though I have doubt or anything, so I can just in next class I can tell the teachers like I was absent, but I have this doubt. But they are very very cooperative for us to clear that doubts and all. So like I think because of the academically, I didn't like, even I have the barrier academically doesn't have. I have some barriers to attend these live classes and all. But even though I have managed it, it is because of the like that LMS platform is very very flexible for me to everything recorded lectures. But what I did is I went through all the lectures clearly, all the classes. That helped me. Like even though the paper two I told you in a tricky, that all the live classes like what are they provided in the classes helped me for clearing the exam. In even though it is that was tricky for paper two.
That's great, Athira. That's a very nice, suggestion and the motivation that you have given to all of the viewers who are watching and who are going to take up the opera exam. So thank you so much for sharing your experience. And just before we end this, any message you have for the academically team or anything that you would want to say before we end the session?
Uh, like, uh, First of all, thanks for giving this. I know like people are from different, like they have gaps and they are working in different field. So for academically, for thank you for continuing the same thing, like for providing the same thing and mock test and everything. And thank you so much for all the teachers. They're very, actually they're like, even though they're very dedicated to what they're delivering to us, whatever they will ask. Like for my personal experience, I will tell you, I asked on doubt to I think Tina ma'am. I forgot that, but ma'am was remembering that and she's posted in the Discord app you are providing us. So that was the dedication I have feel from the faculty. But so thank you so much for this thing. And I think you people are doing the better thing for us. So that's all. I really, I am not getting any suggestion to improvise, but everything what I get is perfect. So thank you. Thank you only from my side.
Thank
And
you
thank you
so
so much.
much, Athira. It's student like you who also put in a lot of effort and then we also put in effort and then the result come like this. And we are equally very, very happy and as excited as you are. So thank you so much. And we wish you all the very best. And we wish that you do well, you go to Australia as soon as possible and you send us videos and, you get an amazing job. So thank you so much. All the very best.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I also hope the same. I can go
Thank
first.
you. Thank